Hey everybody, Adiye here, and let's be honest, we love to eat. Whether it's a juicy burger or a mountain of fries, we're all about that delicious life. But let's face it, sometimes our taste buds have a love-hate relationship with our bodies. Today we're diving into Eat This, Not That foods to fight diabetes and high blood pressure. We're talking about the Avengers of the food pyramid, here to rescue your health and taste buds all at once. So if you're ready to feel amazing and maybe even impress your doctor at your next checkup, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and share this video with your friends. Let's get healthy. All right, folks, let's kick things off with leafy greens. I know, I can practically hear the groans. These leafy greens are the hulks of the produce aisle. Unassuming on the surface, but packed with a powerful punch of nutrients. We're talking spinach, kale, collard greens, the whole gang's here. They're like the superheroes of the food world, fighting off diabetes and high blood pressure with every bite. Smoothies? Boom! Salads? Obviously. Plus, they're loaded with fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied. No more hangry snacking, so ditch the chips and embrace your inner Hulk. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Next up, we've got berries, nature's candy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Adia, you just told me to eat my greens and now you're trying to tempt me with sweets, but hold on a second. These little guys might taste like a treat, but they're actually nutritional powerhouses. We're talking strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, all the colors of the rainbow and all the goodness you can handle. They're packed with antioxidants, which are like little ninjas that fight off those pesky free radicals that can damage your cells and lead to chronic diseases. And here's the kicker. Berries are low on the glycemic index, meaning they won't send your blood sugar levels on a roller coaster ride. So, go ahead, indulge in a bowl of mixed berries without the guilt trip. These little gems are here to help you live your best, healthiest life. Now, let's talk about nuts. The snack that's always got your back. I'm talking almonds, walnuts, cashews. The whole nutty gang. They're like the tiny titans of health, small but mighty. Nuts are packed with healthy fats, protein and fiber, which help regulate blood sugar and keep you feeling full and energized. Plus, they're loaded with magnesium, which is like a chill pill for your blood vessels, helping to lower blood pressure. So, next time you're feeling peckish, reach for a handful of nuts instead of that bag of chips. Your body will thank you, and you'll be one step closer to becoming the picture of health. From that day forward, I became a nut convert, and for good reason, folks. Chapter 4, Whole Grains, the breadwinner of a healthy diet. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite food group, carbohydrates. But hold on, before you reach for that donut, let's talk about the good kind, whole grains. Whole grains are like the breadwinner of a healthy diet. They're the unsung heroes of the grocery store, often overshadowed by their refined grain counterparts. But here's the thing. Whole grains are like the superheroes of the bread aisle, packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals. We're talking brown rice, quinoa, oats, the whole shebang. And the best part, whole grains can actually help lower your risk of diabetes and heart disease. Whole grains are the way to go for a healthier, happier you. Chapter 5. Fatty fish, dive into a healthier you. All right, folks, it's time to dive into the wonderful world of fatty fish. Now, I know what you're thinking. Adeye, fish? Are you trying to turn me into a mermaid? But hold on. Fatty fish isn't just for mermaids and sushi lovers. It's a delicious and nutritious way to boost your health and fight off those pesky chronic conditions. We're talking salmon, tuna, mackerel, the Michael Phelps of the seafood world. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are like the superheroes of the fat world, fighting off inflammation and protecting your heart. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't be afraid to pick up some salmon or tuna. Your heart will thank you. Chapter 6. Olive oil, the liquid gold of the Mediterranean. Last but not least, let's talk about the liquid gold of the Mediterranean, olive oil. Now, I'm not talking about that cheap stuff that's been sitting in your pantry for years. We're talking about the good stuff, extra virgin olive oil, the Beyoncé of the oil world. This stuff is liquid gold, folks, and it should be a staple in every kitchen. It's packed with heart-healthy fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help lower blood pressure and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. So ditch the butter and margarine and embrace the deliciousness and health benefits of olive oil. Outro, live long and prosper. So there you have it, folks. Eat this, not that. Foods to fight diabetes and high blood pressure. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends so they can join in on the fun. Now you're armed with the knowledge and the power to take control of your health. Go forth and conquer those grocery aisles with confidence. And who knows, maybe with all these healthy foods in your diet, you'll even develop a taste for kale smoothies. Okay, maybe not, but hey, a comedian can dream, right? Until next time, stay healthy, my friends.